Hey crypto holders, welcome to Crypto AI Predictor. Today, we are diving deep into a project that is literally sitting right under your nose, or more accurately, running through your router. We're talking about Grass, the decentralized network that is turning the internet into a goldmine for artificial intelligence. There is a massive shift happening in the digital world right now. As AI models like ChatGPT and Claude get smarter, they have an insatiable hunger for data. But where does that data come from? Traditionally, giant corporations scrape the web using centralized servers. Grass is changing the game by letting you provide the infrastructure. What exactly is Grass? Think of Grass as the Airbnb of internet bandwidth. Most of us pay for high-speed internet, but only use a fraction of it at any given time. The rest is just sitting there, idle. Grass is a DePIN built on the Solana blockchain that allows you to share that unused bandwidth with AI labs and researchers. When you run a Grass node, usually just by having a simple browser extension or app active, the network uses that tiny slice of extra pipe to fetch public data from the web. This data is then cleaned, structured, and used to train the next generation of AI. In exchange for providing this digital real estate, you are rewarded with tokens. It's important to understand that Grass doesn't see your personal data. It isn't looking at your banking info or your search history. It simply uses your IP address as a gateway to view the public web, just like a search engine would. Why the AI connection matters, the reason we are seeing such an explosion in interest for this specific coin is its direct link to the AI revolution. Data is the new oil, and AI is the engine. Without high-quality, real-time data, AI models become obsolete. Because Grass is decentralized, it can access a much wider and more diverse range of web data than a single data center in Virginia or California could. This makes the data collected through Grass more valuable to developers. We are looking at a project that sits at the perfect intersection of AI growth, the fastest growing tech sector in history, DePIN, a massive trend where blockchain solves real-world infrastructure problems, Solana ecosystem, leveraging the speed and low cost of one of the most active blockchains in existence. The power of the network as of early 2026, the Grass network has grown to millions of active nodes globally. This isn't just a small project anymore. It's a global infrastructure play. When we look at the tokenomics, we see a fixed supply with a significant portion already in circulation. This reduces the risk of massive token dumps that often plague newer projects. What makes the current market conditions so electric is the recovery phase. After the initial excitement of its launch and the inevitable market corrections, the project has established a very strong local bottom. This means the weak hands have exited, and the long-term believers, the diamond hands, are the ones holding the floor. The AI price prediction now. Let's talk about why we're all here. The potential for a massive breakout. Our AI models at Crypto AI Predictor have been crunching the numbers, looking at liquidity flows, social sentiment, and the expansion of the DePIN sector. In previous bull runs, we've seen infrastructure, coins like Helium or Filecoin pull off 10x or even 50x moves once the general public realizes their utility. Grass is positioned even better because it feeds the AI beast. As we move deeper into this bull cycle, institutional interest is starting to pivot toward tokens with real-world revenue. Grass isn't just a meme, it's a working utility. Based on our AI's analysis of historical Solana-based moonshots and the projected growth of the AI data market, we are seeing a clear technical path for this coin to climb. While the market is currently showing steady gains, the real fireworks usually happen when a project breaks its previous all-time high. If the current momentum continues and the network continues to scale its node count at the current rate, our AI predicts that a target of 3 is not just a dream. It's a mathematical possibility during the peak of this bull run. Conclusion and next steps. Grass represents a shift in how we think about our digital assets. Your internet connection is no longer just a monthly bill, it's a resource. By participating in a decentralized web, you're helping to break the monopoly that big tech has on information. We are watching the charts closely. The volume to market cap ratio is currently signaling high organic demand, which is exactly what you want to see before a major move. This isn't about hype. It's about the infrastructure that powers the future. Disclaimer: The content in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Always do your own research before participating in any project.